Hi, this is Sean from Hertels Coins, and today we got a big deal of PCGS and NGC coins that we recently purchased, so stay tuned. So we recently just purchased a nice little collection of PCGS and NGC graded coins. We got coins from pennies, nickels, half dimes, 20-cent piece, quarters, half dollars, dollars. So pretty much almost all denominations of U.S. coins that we recently purchased, some key dates and whatnot. So first off, we're going to start off with the key date for Indian cents, and yes, it's an 1877 Indian cent graded by PCGS. And this one came in as a good 6. So nice little key date for somebody to put in their collections that's missing an 1877 out of their Indian cent collection. Next up is the King of Lincoln wheat cents. This is a 1909. As you can see in the front, S with a VDB. Nice little decent red luster on it. Couple little spots in the reverse as you can see. But still overall a nice coin. This one's graded from PCGS as an MS64 red brown. Next up we have the other key date. This is a 1922 no D wheat cent. And this one's graded fine 15 with the strong reverse. There's two varieties, a weak reverse and a strong reverse. And as you can see, the condition of the front is pretty worn out, where the reverse has got pretty strong weak stocks on it. So the 1922 no Ds, this is the one you would like for your collection. And then we also have another one. And this one is in a VF30 condition. So a little bit higher grade. Nice little brown color on it. So nice, decent example of 1922 no D. Next we have the old style fatty holders for NGC. And this is a common date, but really nice high grade. This is a 1917 wheat cent. Nice little brown color to it, a little hint of the uncirculated red luster, and this one was graded MS65 red brown by NGC. Yeah, I love these the little fat style holders, one of my favorites. Next we have 1857 half dime. Nice little gray toning to it, original color, and this one was AU50. And then we've got one more 1857 half dime. This one was graded by NGC originally as an MS61, and it has a CAC sticker with it. So very beautiful coin. Very nice. And all these coins will be available on our website at hertelscoins.com. These will all be listed. Some of them are going to CAC, but a lot of these will be listed on our website. Very gorgeous and beautiful shield nickel. This is 1867 with no rays. Very beautiful color. I love the luster on this one. Absolutely stunning look to it. And this one was graded by PCGS as MS63. Moving on to Liberty nickels. This is a 1911. Common day coin, but decent shape. And this one was graded AU53 by PCGS. Next up, as you guessed, we have a Buffalo nickel. This is a 1913 D Buffalo nickel. And this is the Type 2 variety. As you can see, it's all recessed, where a raised ground would be Type 1. So this one is the Type 2 13D. And it was graded by PCGS as XF45. Moving on to Jefferson nickels. It's a 1950D. Very beautiful cartwheel luster on this. And this one's graded by PCGS as MS66. Next is a 1951 proof Jefferson nickel. And an old style Rattler holder by PCGS. And this one graded proof 65. Next up, 1875 CC 20-cent piece. And this one's VF20 by NGC. Next, we have another 20-cent piece that I think is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful luster to this. I'm going to send this one to CAC definitely. Nice blast white color to it. Very nice white color. Amazing cartwheel luster. And this one graded MS63 by NGC. Very beautiful. Next we have key date. One of the key dates for the bar recorder. This is a 1913S with the original color to it. Very nice. And this one's graded VG8. And one more bar recorder. This is a 1914S, so the year after. A little bit better condition, so they graded this one as a VG10. Next we have key date, one of the key dates for Washington quarters. This is a 1932D Washington quarter, nice white color. And this one graded by PCGS as AU53. Next we have is a very, very beautiful bust $50. This is an 1811 with gorgeous colors on it. Nice original toning. And this one's graded by PCGS as an AU58 with the large 8, as you can see. And what they did put in this holder, I think it's an Overton 104A. And as you can see, we get the light just right. There's a die crack that runs from the bottom all the way around, which is pretty neat. And then you got a die crack, which is indicated of a Overton 104, which is right there. So very neat coin, very nice, cool looking die crack that runs around the coin. So very beautiful. Next we have a Barber $50. This is a 1900. Common date, but very nice high grade. Nice white coin. What's pretty still left in it is nice luster, as you can see. And this one graded MS62 by NGC. And then we got another key date, 1921 S Walking Liberty $50. And this one's graded as good 4 by PCGS. Alright, a little bit more $50. Another semi-key date, which is, this one's very beautiful. This is a 1938D Walking Liberty $50. And this is absolutely gorgeous coin. This one we're definitely going to send to CAC. But they grade this one PCGS by, they grade it from PCGS as an MS65. So very beautiful coin. Next we have 1939D graded by NGC. Again, very nice coin. Nice blazing white luster on this one. And this one's graded MS66 by NGC. Couple more Walking Liberty halves. Next up, 1942D. Nice little orange toning on this one. And this one's graded MS65. 1944. Another common date, but very high grade. Very nice coin. And this one's graded MS66. Moving on to the Franklin halves, we have a 1949 Franklin $50. And this one's graded MS64 with full bell lines. Couple more Franklin halves. This is a 1950D. And this one's MS64 full bell lines. Graded by PCGS. And one more Franklin half. And one thing about Franklin halves, I tell you guys, for the set, for full bell lines, a lot of them are pretty inexpensive. And I see them starting to trend up in value. So Franklin halves are really not a bad buy right now, especially if you're buying them in full bell lines. They're becoming very popular. Every time I get them, I sell out of my Franklin halves are graded pretty quickly. So they're actually not a bad buy. They're pretty hot in the market right now. And this one is graded MS64, full bell lines also. Next we have some old fatty NGC holders. First one is an 1881S. Nice little color on it, absolutely beautiful coin. This one's graded MS63. Another fatty holder NGC, a little bit higher grade, 81S. This one's absolutely beautiful. Love the color on it, as you can see there. Nice luster. That's what I said, always in the NGC fatty holders, it's always beautiful lustered coins. Awesome color sometime. And this one's graded MS65. And one more NGC fatty holder. This is an 1884 O. Some colors on it. The reverse is lighter of colors. A little bit of purples and reds in there. Front's a little bit dark, so it's not as nice as the other ones, but still a decent grade. This is an MS64. Lastly, semi-key date Morgan dollar. This is an 1896 O. 1896 O's are fairly common in circulated grades, but uncirculated they're very, very hard to find. I really hardly see 1896 O's in uncirculated grade. So this one is an MS61. I personally think it's undergraded. I would bet this would be a 62 if I cracked it out. So I'm gonna send this to CAC, see what they say on this, or I might just crack it out. So we'll see. But still a nice coin. MS61, very, very hard to find 96 O's in any MS type state condition. So that's all I have today. Bought a lot of coins. They'll be available on our website, hertelscoins.com. Hope to see you guys in my next video. And always please like and subscribe. And we'll be coming out with some more future videos pretty soon. So I hope you guys enjoyed and have a good one. Thank you.